Is your HP printer still showing a paper jam error even after you've removed all the stuck paper? It can be frustrating, but this usually happens due to a blocked sensor, software glitch, or a pending print job stuck in the queue. In today's video, I'll walk you through a few simple and effective methods to fix this issue, from cleaning the paper registration sensor to using Windows troubleshooting tools and clearing the print queue. Just follow along step by step and you should be able to resolve the error in no time. If you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Clean the paper registration sensor. Open your printer's cover. If required, carefully disassemble the outer parts to locate the paper registration sensor. If you're unsure about its location, refer to your printer's user manual to avoid any damage. Once you find the sensor, use a soft brush to gently clean it. After cleaning, make sure it is properly placed back in position. Once that's done, go ahead and test your printer to see if the paper jam error has cleared up. If it didn't fix the error, try the second method given below. Method 2. Run the Windows Troubleshooter. Click on the Start button and open Settings. In Settings, select System from the left panel. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on the other troubleshooters. Locate Printer and click on the Run button next to it. Windows will now scan the printer-related issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If this method doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to the last one. Method 3. Clear all pending print jobs. Go to the search bar, type Printers and Scanners and open it. From the list, select your HP printer. Click on the Open Print Queue. In the new window, click on the Printer tab at the top. Select Cancel All Documents from the drop-down menu. When prompted, click Yes to confirm. This will clear all pending print jobs. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.